The US stock market continues to extend its rally, thus giving a boost to other global trading floors. The steady recovery of the US economy is confirmed by the recent data on PMI, the indicator of business activity. The data exceeded analysts' expectations and showed the best results in the past 7 years. Dow Jones and S&P 500 also closed yesterday's session at record highs. Markets are optimistic about the overcoming of the COVID-19 crisis. Oil showed a delayed reaction to the OPEC decision to gradually increase production by 2 million barrels per day until July. Yesterday, oil prices declined notably by up to 3%. The reason for such a drop could be a rapid rise in the US stock market. Besides, India and China reported a record surge in new coronavirus cases. In the morning trade, however, oil edged slightly higher. Brent moved up by 0.8% to $62.60 per barrel. It is expected to trade in the range between $60 and $65 a barrel. WTI was trading at $59.20 per barrel early in the session, which is 0.9% higher compared to the previous trade. North American crude is likely to hold in the channel between $57.50 and $61 a barrel. Meanwhile, the Russian currency is losing ground amid geopolitical tensions and lower oil prices. On Monday, the ruble came under pressure from the news about escalation of conflict in Donbass and the statement by the US about the buildup of Russian military forces near the border with Ukraine. That's why the ruble could not take advantage of the weakening US dollar. It retreated against the greenback as well as against other major currencies right after the US stock exchange resumed operation. As a result, the dollar-ruble pair was last seen trading at 90.29. In Europe, the rate of COVID infections has slowed down for the first time in weeks. Amid this optimistic background, the euro stopped its continuous fall against the dollar and is expected to start an uptrend. In the euro versus ruble pair, the Russian currency is also extending losses. On Tuesday morning, the ruble settled at 90.18 against the euro. The euro-ruble pair is expected to hold in the channel between 89.60 and 91. The multi-vector nature of political decisions and events is reflected in markets' behavior and quotes of the national currencies. Our today's review is a vivid example of this statement. On the one hand, we can see optimism in the US market about the tackling of the coronavirus crisis. There is also a glimmer of hope that the situation in Europe will improve soon. This supports the markets and helps strengthen the national currency. But on the other hand, the Russian ruble is depreciating due to the escalation of tensions in Donbass and the statement made by the US about a build-up of Russian military forces near the border with Ukraine. Yesterday, the Russian authorities said that they posed no threat to any of the countries. According to Reuters, Russian Deputy Foreign Minister Sergei Ryabkov confirmed that Russia was in high-level contact with the United States about tensions over Ukraine. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.